Hello everyone. In this chapter we will read about the relation, that is how the dog found himself a new master. This is chapter 2 for class 6. Before we start reading the chapter, we shall know about this word meanings, that is ill-pleased, which means not happy, kinsman or relative, fears means frightening, take up service with, which means become the servant with, crept deeper, which means went inside, sniffed, which means smelled, darted, which means moved, fill, which means eat, terribly, which means horribly, dared, which means risked, or have the guts, or loyal, means faithfully. Now, there is now whatever I am going to tell you is the summary of the chapter. This summary is about this chapter that has been given to you, but I am not going to read it line by line. I will just tell you the whole summary of the chapter, uh, which is about how a dog become a tame animal, how it became a tamed. This story will tell about that. The summary is that long ago, dogs roamed freely in search of the food and shelter in the forest. They were their own master, like the wolves or the other wild animals. But once a dog did not like the way of life they were living. He was sick of wandering alone in search of the food and afraid of animal stronger than him. This is why हुआ ये कि he started finding a dog. He started finding an animal who is stronger than it, who is a stronger animal या strongest animal on the earth. कहने का मतलब ये है कि बहुत साल पहले जो डॉग्स हुआ करते थे वे भी जंगली जानवरों की तरह ही फ्री घुमा करते थे जंगलों में, अपना मालिक खुद होते थे। लेकिन उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये होती थी कि जैसे ही कोई स्ट्रॉन्गर एनिमल उनसे मिलता तो वहां से उनको वहां से भागना पड़ता या फिर छुपना पड़ता था। इसी चीज को लेकर के बहुत पहले किसी कुत्ते ने या किसी डॉग ने अपने स्थिति सुधारने के लिए उसने एक डिसीजन लिया और अपने इस तरीके की जिंदगी से उबर करके उसने ये सारा कुछ डिसाइड किया। Whatever he decided was that he will find a master for himself. खुद के लिए एक मालिक खोजेगा। So that which type of master he needed? He needed such master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. He first met a wolf who agreed to be the dog's master. सबसे पहले जो जानवर उसे मिला उसे एक उल्फ मिला, which is like his family member. उसी की तरह एक किंस्टर था, उसी की फैमिली मेंबर की तरह था, डॉग फैमिली का था। Who agreed to be the dog's master, जो कि इसका मालिक बनने के लिए तैयार तो हुआ। The two of them went together, but out of fear from bear. भालू के डरने की वजह से that wolf ran off deep into the forest. वहां से वो उसे छोड़कर जंगल में भाग गया, जिसकी वजह से the dog left the weak wolf and next he decided to take up service with the bear. They set out to find a herd of cows for food. Next what happened? He went to the bear to start serving for himself. उसके साथ उसने नौकरी करनी, मतलब उसके साथ उसने जो घूमना फिरना या उसके लिए उसके साथ जो करना है सो उसने करना शुरू कर दिया. इसके बाद bear and the dog started searching for the herd of the cows for the meal. Suddenly what happened कि the cow started mewing and lowing in the fear and started running in fear. होता क्या है कि जब वे when he met with the herd of the cows, he saw that they saw that the कि cows were mewing and running in fear. तो इसी चीज को देखने के लिए कि what happened to the cows, the bear hid himself behind the tree. वह पेड़ के पीछे छुप करके देखता है कि आखिर माजरा क्या है. Then he saw a lion. वह एक शेर को देखता है and he said dog to hide himself because the lion is the strongest beast on the earth. उस डॉग को भी उसे छुपने की सलाह देता है क्योंकि वह स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बीस्ट था इस पृथ्वी पर. Now as soon as the dog know that the lion is the strongest beast on this earth, the dog said goodbye to the bear and become the servant of the lion. उसने शेर की जो नौकर बनने की जो सुझाव था उसका वो बनना मंजूर कर लिया. The dog had a good and secure life and no one dared to touch him. There was no one in the forest to dare to him to touch or never ever want to say anything to the dog. So this was for the long time the dog had the best duration with the lion because no one is there to touch him or do anything. But one day the lion, while walking in the forest, stopped and gave a roar. होता क्या है कि अचानक से जंगल में घूमते घूमते एक बार जो शेर है वह रुकता है, जोर से एक दहाड़ लगाता है और पैरों को जोर से जमीन पर मारता है और फिर he hid himself. The dog asked him what happened. Then he said the dog that he had smelt a man. As soon and suggested the dog to cover himself. Here he wanted the dog to hide himself behind something so that man could not saw him and to become secure. When the dog knew that man is the strongest creature on the earth, he left the lion and he went to the man. And he finally decided to take the service of the man, the strongest of all the creatures. Since then, it has been serving man faithfully and knows no other master now. From that time, the dog is the faithful animal for the man, and he has been serving the man from that time. तब से अब तक जो डॉग हैं वह इंसानों के सबसे विश्वासी जानवरों में से एक होते हैं. This is how the dog has found a new master as a man. This is the last that we have in this chapter. I have not go through line by line of this chapter. So when you go through go through the chapter, you could find some problem. If there is any problem, and then you could make a video and post it on the uh, YouTube channel, schools office of the school office, and we will discuss over it in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Be safe. Stay at home. Thank you.